all, hearty congratulations.
Thank you.
On the success of all the movies that you've been doing, and now Kathakali is coming up next.
Yeah.
So it's like very close to the release. So how excited are you?
I always get pretty nervous and a little excited around the release of a film because it's something that you've worked on, you know, like you spend like nearly 3 months or 4 months of your time, of the most time of of the day on it. So it's a part of your life and you've invested a lot in it and you're eager to know how the audience is going to react to it.
Okay, so tell us about your character in the movie Kathakali.
I play this girl called Meenu Kuti. So you see, she has a very cute name. So as you can figure, she's pretty cute herself, and she's really innocent and very childlike. And I think it's a little different from what I did in Madras.
Okay.
And I think the audience is gonna like it. They're gonna be really entertained by the movie as a whole.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what was that one factor that made you say yes to this particular movie?
I like the character that I'm playing. The second thing would be I've never really done an out-and-out action thriller before. So this was my shot at doing something that I've not done before. And I'm always game for trying new things out. And I love the team. It's a great team.
Right.
Yeah.
So with Vishal, tell us how was it working with him?
Working with Vishal is actually really easy, and whatever we shot together, we complemented each other's timing.
Okay.
And he's a very balanced person and very calm as well.
All right. So now, after the success of Madras, I think you hold more responsibility when you give out the next movie.
I know. Yeah, I know.
So how well do you think the audience would be able to relate to the movie, and they will be like, yes, she's chosen the next good script?
I do my best to live up to expectations, and I know that they mount with every film, and I think that's the responsibility, and I love being responsible, and I'm constantly working at bettering myself and delivering a step higher than I've done in the past.
Good. Tell us about any one nice incident that happened during the shoot in the sets.
I've said this before a lot because I think this is like the most important thing. Actually, you know, there are times when you shoot and you need rain, and sometimes the rain gods don't really answer your wish and be like, oh, you need rain? No.
Right.
So you use a lot of artificial.
Right.
So most of the times whenever we needed rain, which was a lot in this film, and it always rained.
Really?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, 90% of the time whenever we needed to can scenes that required rain, it just rained. So the scenes came out really well, you know, and I think I remember that the most because I'm like, okay, this is a fateful coincidence. This is really lucky.
From Madras to Kathakali, and I think you have some more movies that you've already committed in the future. So what is that differentiation that we as audience could be seeing in Kathryn?
I said I like to be versatile as an actor, and that is my #1 goal.
Okay.
Because I think versatility is a great way to entertain people. And myself, I get really bored of doing the same sort of thing again and again. So the audience would obviously feel the same, right? And I've chosen my films accordingly. Yeah, in a way where they get to see me in a new avatar every single time so that they do find it entertaining.
Nice. Would there be any kind of dream role or any particular kind of role that you've always been wanting to do in the near future?
Maybe a double role or a triple role. You know?
So now that comes out, okay.
Yeah, I'd like to try that someday. I've always imagined I'd really like to do that.
Okay.
I think that would be fun.
Nice.
Yeah.
Okay, so then working in epic movies. So tell us about that because you've done one big project that all of us were like looking up to. Rudramadevira.
Yeah, that was really epic in the true sense of the word. Well, the film was really made on a large scale and it was 3D. And that was actually, I did the film, I have a cameo in the film. It's just a special appearance. I did the film for 2 main reasons. #1 was because I've always wanted to do a period film.
Okay.
I just wanted to wear those costumes and have that makeup on and walk around.
Aren't they heavy?
Then I figured that out. Then I figured that it takes you 3 hours to do this.
You're right.
Because when you look at it? It's so pretty, right? You have all these princesses and they've got these beautifully heavy embroidered outfits and jewelry everywhere,
yes.
and their makeup is so beautiful, and you're like, oh, I'd like to look like that. So then this came my way, and I'm like, would you like to do this special appearance? And you play Allu Arjun's fiance. So I'm like, okay, sure. That was one. The second thing was 3D. Yeah, I've never done a 3D film before. I think that's fun, right?
Right.
But it takes a lot of time to shoot, because it's being shot in 3D. So, well, it was an experience nonetheless. I really liked it. The most important thing, I mean, the best part of the film for me was the song.
Okay.
The one with Anushka and Nitya.
Nitya.
I really liked that song.
Okay.
I've never done classical stuff like that. But I've only done basic training in classical. And it was different. It was definitely different.
Okay.
In terms of the set, and I've never danced with two other actresses before.
Yes.
You always dance with an actor, with your hero, but you never dance with two other heroines. So it was really beautifully choreographed, and I liked it.
All right. Yeah. So working in the 4 South Indian languages, you've been one of the very busy girls, and there was one magazine which also stated, I don't want to mention the magazine though, which stated that she would be the next lady superstar if she plays her cards right.
That's a compliment, thank you.
Oh, you didn't even know about that?
No.
Okay, now let me cut off that magazine, I'll say that.
That's exactly, like you quote it. It becomes your line.
Yes.
Yeah.
So how complimenting or how responsible do you feel? Do you feel it's really good to get compliments like that, or do you feel they're actually putting up more pressure on you when such statements come out?
To be really, really honest, compliments like that do come with a certain amount of pressure. I cannot say, oh no pressure at all, it's just a feather. No, compliments like that do come with pressure, but at the same time I'm really flattered that, and I'm really happy actually that people think that way, and people have that opinion of me, and it's my goal to live up to that.
Alright. Okay, so then why did it take 4 long years for you to come to Tamil? That's in 2010 you started off, and only 14 Madras came out.
Telugu, I was doing Telugu for some time, and then Tamil. It's also about, having the right film.
True, agreed.
Just because you want to do something doesn't mean you do anything.
Right.
Right? So I think Madras was worth the wait. What do you say?
True.
Exactly.
Completely.
So there you go, right? I think that was a nice film. Very
right.
nice.
So, in future, okay, so what kind of roles can we expect from Catherine? The dual, I'm sure somebody would watch this interview and give you one like that.
A dual role where you're playing these two characters that are poles apart.
Oh, you want them to be poles apart? Not the same.
That's when no. Why would you do a dual character that's exactly the same?
Okay.
You do a dual character.
No, same in the sense which you've already depicted.
No, the two characters in the film, the two characters that I'm going to play, need to be poles apart, like radically different from each other.
Okay.
I think it'll be like doing 2 films in one.
Oh, she's blushing. So whoever's watching the interview, I think you have a chance, man. Go up to her, talk to her.
Work out a script where she's in a dual role. Yeah, I like that.
And any particular director in the Tamil industry that you've always wanted to work with?
I like to work with all of them, frankly.
Okay, she's being very diplomatic.
No, not really. All of them have these really unique defining qualities that make them, so and so and so and so. I like them for that, and I'd like to try working out with them for that.
Okay. Yeah. And as soon as you were in the industry, you quickly grabbed up awards as well. So tell us about how it was while your name was announced for the awards and being a newcomer and all that.
I'm really, really happy and so grateful to everybody who extended such love and support to me that made all of the awards possible. It feels really great to be accepted so much right from your very first movie, and the awards were definitely, what can I say, it was big encouragement. It was really big encouragement, yeah.
Nice. So as in for your personal life, you seem to be a girl who's like, whatever I start off, I can just finish it off really well. So you have that kind of attitude. Whatever I do, I'll do my best, and I can do it rather. So
Okay.
you've got that kind of attitude is what we've seen, and
Okay.
you're an ice skater, you're a debater, you have a lot of other faces as well. You're into a
Right.
lot of extracurricular activities
Yeah.
than more of studies. I don't really see much of that.
I was a very good student.
okay.
I was a really good
Okay,
student.
so star there, star. She's a very good student also.
No, I was, see, whatever you're talking about, the ice skating and stuff was when I was in school.
Okay.
So the criteria for me to do other stuff at home was my parents are like, you have to like score at least 90%. So if you excel at your academics, then you get to do different kinds of stuff.
Okay.
You know, so the focus was definitely on academics, but I did well there, so they make me do everything else as well. And I like it. I like exploring different things that you can do.
Brilliant.
You know?
If I can ask you, I don't know if you'll agree to do this for me, but you're a singer as well, right?
Oh, what do you want me to sing for you now?
Anything of your choice, please.
I thought I saw a man walk through life. He was warm, he came around like he was dignified. He showed me what it was to cry. But you couldn't be that man I adored. You don't seem to know, seem to care what your heart is for. Okay?
Oh wow! Okay, so very applaud for you. Thank you so
Thank
much,
you.
and and first of all, thank you so much for instantly agreeing. A lot of people don't do that. Okay.
Well, I'm just in the mood.
Okay.
I guess.
So in future, if you get an opportunity to sing in any movie that you're gonna be acting, so would you agree?
Yeah, it would be my pleasure to.
Okay, so we have another singer in town. Great. Okay, so before we sign off, can you also tell us the upcoming movies from your end other than Kathakali?
Yes, Kanidan and Veeradhira Suran in Tamil and Sare Nodu in Telugu.
Brilliant. So wishing you all success from the team of India Glitz and Kirti.
Thank you so
for all
much.
the movies that's coming up from Kathakali. Okay, and also for all the scripts that you're going to be choosing right after this.
Thank you, Kirti.
God bless and have a lot of fun working
Thank
and
you.
keep smiling like this forever.
Thank you so much. Hi, you guys. I really hope you like Kathakali. We really enjoyed making this film for you, and I hope you enjoy it as much as we did. Actually, I'm sure you will. I love you guys.
Alright, so guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this interview with Catherine Teresa. Again, I will be right back. You know, amazing Anna star ho raha hai. But until then, for any kind of cinema update, the only place that you guys have to log in is indiaglitz.com. Subscribe, okay? Bye.